Hello guys, welcome to another video. Real Gema here. Let's get it. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to find any textbook out there. So I know a lot of you are university students or even students in high school. So in the digital world today, you can find any book you may be looking for online. So you just need to know the name and you can search for it and find it and download it and use it. So I'm going to be showing you some very useful websites where you can find all the books that you may need in school or just for entertainment. The first website is bok.africa. So this website has a huge collection of books. Some of them are on sale on Amazon, but you can get them here for free. As you can see, they are very popular books. You can see Rich Dad, Poor Dad. You can search for any book you are looking for. You can just type in the topic and it's going to show you all the books under that particular topic. So we're going to search for some physics books. So here is a very popular physics book. As you can see on Amazon, it's selling for $45. But using this website, all what you need to do is click on the link and download the book free. You can search for countless number of books based on the topic you are researching, and you can get even the most renowned books here, all available to you for free. This is a very powerful resource that every student should use, and it's going to really help you. I remember it helped me a lot when I was in university and I had to study, so I could get all the resources I needed from this website, and it really helped me a lot in my different courses. You're going to search for another topic. You have to keep in mind that these are books based on different levels, so they are mostly for university students, but high school students can also find books for them. We are going to go now to the second website, which is also a very powerful website with a lot of resources and an even bigger database. This website contains a lot of very popular books, and you can find them well listed in different categories. You can see the categories on your right. There are many books on this website ranging from drama, entertainment, and schoolwork. You can really find all the resources you need to complete your university program. A lot of very popular books found on this website. So like the previous websites, all you need to do is just to click on the button download. Here it takes a little while to load, and when it's finished loading, the link will be available for you to download. It opens in a new page, and all you need to do is to click on the download button, which is found on the top right corner. And finally, I'm going to show you one last trick on how to find any book you are looking for. So we are first of all going to find the most popular books in physics. And here we have a list of the different physics books which are very popular. So depending on the one which interests you, all what you need to do is to get the name of the book and the author. Let's say I was looking for fundamentals of physics. So what I need to do is type in a search, fundamentals of physics. I'll just have to include PDF at the end. This is going to show me all the websites which have a downloadable version of the book. And once you see a little icon called PDF by the side, it tells you that that's a direct link to the book. Sure enough, the book has opened, and as you can see, there are more than 1,450 pages. So that tells you already that's the real deal. As you can see, this same book costs $45 on Amazon, but you can have it for free just by doing that little search. So I hope this video helps the university students out there. This is how you can find free resources to help you in your courses. I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.